let's walk through how to add some interior walls into the design of your Keystone building. We're going to start off by going to level 1. You're going to see all the column wraps we installed in a previous video. We're going to use those to our advantage as we start to add in some interior partition walls. For this video demonstration, I'm just going to do one area, and as we're just going to be able to replicate the process to create the other rooms in our building. We'll go ahead and move to the wall command. We're going to see our interior column wrap, if we were using it previously, is going to show up. We're going to change that wall type over to a 4 7/8 partition wall. And here you're going to see that the unconnected height is still going to stay 14 feet 2 inches. That's going to work well because that's going to match our column wraps that we did earlier, especially with us being on level 1. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to edit the type. We want to go ahead and duplicate this. We want to go ahead and make this interior wall. Select OK. We're going to make just a couple of edits to the structure. We're going to actually change the thickness. If you remember from our previous video, our column wraps had 1/2 inch thickness for the gypsum wall board. So that's what we're going to do in this case, is change both of those to 1/2 inch. We're going to leave everything else the same, which is going to be kind of reminiscent of having like a 2x4 framed wall. I'm going to select OK, and I'll select OK one more time. With this, though, as I start to draw, I'm going to go into this quadrant down here toward the bottom of the screen, and I want to change my location line. Rather than drawing from the wall center line, I want to go from the finished face exterior. When I do that, I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to choose this corner, and when you see the drawing, you're going to see now those lines on the gypsum wallboard are going to line up together, and we can go ahead and make those connections. Once I connect these two column wraps here, I'm going to go ahead and select cancel a couple times. You're going to see it's going to join those together, and it's going to clean up some of the line work for us. So I'm just going to go ahead and right click on this wall. I'll say create similar. That'll run the same command again. And I'm going to go ahead and click. And if you do need to flip this just in case, space bar will do that. And you can go ahead and select and connect to the next corner. I'm going to go ahead and move to the 3D view. We'll be able to see that there is our interior room, all connected with the same height as the column wrap. And we can start to section off different areas of our building depending upon their intended function and purpose.